Dear children, how are you all? Hope you are safe at home. Children, do you like shopping? What is the most common thing that you buy while going for shopping? Is it chocolate? What do you like? What do you give to shopkeeper? Yes, money. Money is required to buy things that we need. I guess now you know the name of the new chapter. Yes, our chapter name is money. Here is the main topic of chapter 11. Counting money, reading and writing money, exchanging money, and the last topic is addition and subtraction of money. Children, we have various denomination of money in India. Smaller denomination using by coins and higher denomination using by notes. Children, these are the various denomination available in India. This represent 2000 rupees and this one represent 500 rupees and this one 200 rupees and this one 100 rupees and this one 50 rupees, this 20 rupees and 10 rupees, and we have coins, 10 rupee coin, 5 rupee coin and 2 rupee coin, 1 rupee coin and 50 paise coin. Different countries have different types of currencies and denominations. Our Indian currency represents as rupees. Each country has their own currencies and denominations. For example, this currency from United States of America, and this too is from Oman, and this from Kuwait, and this currency is from Brazil, and this also from Brazil, and this too from Bangladesh, and this currency from Sri Lanka, this currency from China, and this one from Qatar, and this also from Qatar, and this from Jordan, and this currency from Singapore. Children, our first topic is how to count money. For example, let's count the amount of money each student have in this example. Student A, how much money? You have 1 rupee coin, 2 rupee coin, again 2 rupee coin and 1 rupee coin. So total amount 1 plus 2, 3, 3 plus 2, 5, 5 plus 1, 6. Total student A has 6 rupees. And student B, we have 5 rupee coin and 1 rupee coin, again 1 rupee coin and one more 1 rupee coin. So 1 plus 1, 2, 2 plus 1, 3, 3 plus 5, 8. So who has more money? Yes, student B has got more money, 8 rupees. How much money B has more than A? Student A? Yes, 2 rupees. Children, we'll take another example. Here, student A have 50 rupees and 20 rupees. And student B has 100 rupees and 10 rupees. Who has got more money? 50 plus 20, 70 and 100 plus 10, 110. Who has got more money? Student B has got more money. Children, our next topic is exchanging money. We can exchange note or money with other notes and coins in different way. Children, this is a 10 rupee coin. We can exchange with 1 5 rupee and 2 rupees and 1 rupee coin. So total amount 10 rupees. Again we can exchange 5 rupee coin, 2 5 rupee coins. Here 2 plus 2 4 plus 2 6 8 10. Children, we can exchange with 2 5 rupees coins. 2 4 6 8 10. Or we can exchange with the 10 rupee notes. There are other combinations also possible. Children, our next topic is reading and writing money. 1 rupee is written as rupees 1.00. This is rupee symbol and this dot help us to separate rupees from the paise. And when we put the dot, we do not write paise. For example, 8 rupees 50 paise, you can write rupees 8.50. Another example, 7 rupees 25 paise, we can written as 7 rupees 25. And we did not write paise. Children, how will you write in words 15 rupees 25 paise? Yes, 15 rupees 25 paise. We'll take another example. 30 rupees 15 paise. We can 30 rupees 50 paise. Children, our next topic is addition of money. We will take an example. Tony bought a pen for 20 rupees and a book for 25 rupees. What is the total money Tony paid for both items? Children, how will you find the total money? By adding each of the item. How much he paid for pen? Yes, 20 rupees. And book price is 25. How? Now 25. How much I have? 25 rupees. Pen price 20. Now book price 25. Now 20 plus 10, 30. Again 10, 40, 45. So pen price 20 and book cost is 25. The total cost of the item Tony brought 45 rupees. Children, our last topic is subtraction of money. We'll take an example. Rima has 100 rupees with her. She brought chocolate for 20 rupees. How much money left with her? Children, tell me how to find the remaining money? Yes, by subtracting the cost of chocolate. Total money we have 100 rupees. The cost of chocolate 20 rupees. Now we can do subtraction. 0 minus 0, 0. What is 10 minus 2? Yes, 80. So how much money left with her? 80 rupees. In today's class, we have learned counting money, exchanging money, reading and writing money, addition of money and subtraction of money. We'll see you in the next class. Children, take care. Bye.